Are you tired of receiving unwanted invitations on Castle? In this video, I will show you how to control who can send you invites on the Castle app step by step, so you can enjoy the app without interruptions. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Castle app. In this page, you will go to above to the sign of profile, so you will tap here on profile. Then you will find this sign again here of customize your profile, so you will tap here on customize your profile on this arrow, and then you will find settings, so we click on settings. After that, in this page of settings, you will find parties. We'll go to parties, and then you will find here who can invite me to parties. You can choose mutuals, we follow each other, or nobody. So if you don't want someone to interrupt you or annoying you, you can choose nobody. If you want to select mutuals, here you can choose this one, the people who follow you and you follow back. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.